With summer just around the corner, I know a few of you hear the streets a calling, but I know for a lot of you, you are ready to settle down and truly experience love on a deeper level. So what I'm gonna do for you in this video is share the 3 powerful ways to attract love into your life, and stick around until the end because I'm gonna share a bonus tip on how to keep that love once you've attracted it. So let's get into it. Welcome to my channel, beautiful souls. If you are new here, I am Kara Roberts, a spiritual and mindset coach, and I specialize in supporting people in getting to a place where they are feeling so confident within themselves that they are shining their inner light, really showing up in their soul's purpose, in their dharma, and supporting them in manifesting a life beyond their wildest dreams. So today we're going to be talking about manifesting love, a soulmate, romance. So before we get into the 3 steps plus a bonus step at the end, it's really important that I share with you that in order to manifest anything into your life, you must first become that thing. You want to be it. You want to embody it, because universe is always responding to what you are. So if you are in a place where you want to be manifesting love, romance, and a deeper connection, you must begin to become aligned with that energy. Be an energetic match to those things, because that's going to signal it out into the universe and allow you to be magnetic to it and attract it into your life. The first powerful way to attract love into your life is to get clear and specific of the qualities and the characteristics your ideal lover or soulmate has. So this is getting clear on what kind of person are they? Are they kind, caring, loving, consistent, emotionally available, supportive, open-minded, adventurous? What are the qualities you feel that are a non-negotiable? Because here's the thing, you are worthy and deserving of having a partner who meets your needs, who matches on some of those core morals, on some of those core elements. Another thing is this is going to support you eliminate the ones who are not for you. Because if you're on a date and that person has different views of some of those real core elements, you can be sure that they're not the right person for you. The next thing that you're going to do is begin to script about that person as if you've already manifested them. So now that you know the type of person they are, you're gonna write in your journal reflecting on your life together. And what this is going to do is signal out into the universe the energy that it's already done. It's also having you in the vibration of trust, of knowing, of being unattached to the outcome. And the universe loves this type of energy. The universe responds very well to a calm, a grounded, and a knowing energy. So speaking about it in the past, I am so grateful and thankful that we experienced. I'm so grateful and thankful that we went to. I'm so grateful and thankful that they show up for me in a loving and supportive way. So scripting about it. The second powerful way to attract love into your life is to then begin to feel all of those feelings. You want to embody all of the emotions that you just scripted out. So you just scripted out your ideal day with your ideal partner, how all of those things make you feel, all the things you've accomplished, everywhere you're going, all the things that you're doing together. Now it's time to truly embody and become a vibrational match to the love, to the gratitude, to the communication, to the open-mindedness, to the adventure, to the fulfillment. So what you're going to do, you're going to place your hand on your heart and you're going to totally immerse yourself in that vision. You're going to visualize now that entire day and your life together unfolding. You're going to put a big smile on your face. You're going to infuse that vision with as many beautiful emotions as you can and start to feel it in your body now. Amplify it, immerse yourself in it, because what did I say a few moments ago? Universe is responding to how you feel, to what you are. So if you are totally immersing yourself in this vibration, that's what you're signaling out into the universe. So it's going to inevitably have you become magnetic to those things and attracting that soulmate or that lover into your life. A little golden nugget when it comes to scripting and manifesting in general, you want to set it and forget it. So you don't want to be obsessing over it. You don't want to be like that little kid in the back of the car. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? No, you set it, you script it, you express the gratitude, you feel it, and you carry on with your life. And I'm going to share with you how to carry on in point number 3. So keep watching. And the third way to attract love into your life is to begin to take aligned action. So that means saying yes to going on dates, saying yes to going to hang out with your friends, saying yes to going to different festivals, saying yes to joining a dance class, saying yes to the possibility and the opportunity to meet your soulmate. And here's a little tip to speed up this process is going to hang out at the places where your ideal partner would be. So if you want someone who is grounded, who has an open mind, who is into yoga, spirituality, go to the yoga class. Go to a pottery class, go to a music class, go to a play, go to the farmer's market. Hang out in the places where your ideal partner and lover is going to be. You can also bring friends along with you because that may have the energy of you feeling more comfortable. Maybe it's going to give you a little bit more courage or that little push. If you see an attractive person, your friend's gonna be like, hey, go over and talk to them. Or they be your wing person and be like, hey, my friend thinks you're really cute. Who knows? Be playful with it. Be adventurous, be flirty, be open-minded, be curious, but most importantly, be in true alignment and integrity to the person you know is going to match what it is that you truly want in your life. So beautiful souls, those were the 3 powerful ways to attract love into your life. But like I shared at the beginning, I'm gonna share a bonus tip on how to keep that lover once you've attracted them. So to keep the lover in your life and to continue to have this beautiful relationship thrive and flourish, it's going to take commitment and effort and consistent communication from both people. Because like anything, in order for that love to grow and to continue to thrive, you are gonna have to put constant attention and intention into your partner. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is that when people have their partner, they then stop dating them. They stop putting that effort in. They stop putting that love and that attention in. And this is one of the fastest ways to repel or to split up from that person. Here are a few ways that you can really pour into your relationship to ensure that it keeps growing and that you both are on the same page growing together. So you want to be nurturing the relationship. You want to be giving it time, uninterrupted energy and attention. So when you are having a date with your partner, you're not distracted by your phone. You're not distracted by what else is going on. You're being present. You're being in the moment. You're nurturing them. You're loving them. Another thing you're going to do is have open and clear communication and bi-weekly or monthly check-ins with your partner, asking them, is there anything I can do to support you even further? Is there anything that you feel is missing in this relationship that I can give to you? And when you're having these conversations, you're not going into it with any other intention but to listen, to receive, to hear truly what your partner is saying, and then having the accountability and the love and the respect for your partner and the relationship to then do the things that they are asking of you. And another really powerful way to keep your partner once you've attracted them is understanding their love language and then loving them in that way. So we all have a love language or a mixture of all 5. So having the conversation and being open to asking your partner, how do you want to receive love? In what ways do you feel the most love? And then showing them the love in the way that they want to receive it. And then lastly, make sure that you are having fun together, that you are laughing together, but you're also allowing for each person to have their down moments and being the strength when the other person needs you, and not having them feel worse about something when they're already feeling low. You want to be that support system. You want to be that rock. You want to be that person who is cheering them on and helping them remember and see the incredible, beautiful, abundant, and capable soul that they are. All right, beautiful souls. So those were the 3 powerful ways to attract love into your life, plus a bonus tip on how to keep them once you've attracted them. If you found this video to put a smile on your face or made you feel good in any way, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Every Monday and Saturday, I put out new videos on all things personal, spiritual development, law of attraction, manifestation, all of that good stuff. If this video gave you an aha moment or supported you on how to truly attract love into your life, I invite you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below where you're tuning in from in the world. I love to connect with all of you beautiful souls. And then lastly, go ahead and hit that little bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Sending you all so much love, so much light, and the courage and the bravery to put yourself out there, to have the patience, the kindness, the love, and the compassion for yourself and your ideal partner, so that you both can truly experience love on such a deep level, feeling so fulfilled, so happy, and so abundant together. All right, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.